Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we are going to look at how we can convert fractions to percentages. Now, the first thing we need to do in order to convert our fractions to a percentage is to look at our fraction. Now, for the first fraction that we have 3 over 100, we need to first look at the denominator. So, based on previous lessons, you would have known that a fraction has 3 parts. We have the numerator, the fraction bar, as well as the denominator. Now, once your fraction has a denominator of 100, or once your fraction's denominator is 100, you can just write back the numerator as the percentage. So in this case, 3 over 100 as a percentage will be 3%. So once your denominator is 100, you can just write back the numerator with the percentage sign. Now for our next fraction, we have 4 over 25. Because this fraction is not out of 100, we are going to multiply it by 100 over 1 to get what the percentage would be. Then we will go ahead and see if we can cancel out any of the numbers that we have there. So in this case, we can cancel out the 25 and the 100. So we're going to say how many times can 25 go into 25? We're going to cross it and put 1. And then how many times can 25 go into 100? Which will give us 4 times. Alright. Then we can go ahead and multiply. So 4 times 4 is 16. For our next fraction, 9 over 10. Now, again, because this fraction is not out of 100, we're going to multiply it by 100 over 1 to get the percentage. Now, once we have that, we are going to say, or we're going to try to see if we can simplify the numbers that we have to make them smaller. So we can say 10 into 10 goes 1 times, and then 10 into 100 goes 10 times. Then we can go ahead and multiply by saying 9 times 10 is equal to 90. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So it is 90%. For our next fraction, we have 8 over 16. And again, this fraction is not out of 100, so we will go ahead and multiply it by 100 over 1. Then we look to see if we can simplify any of the numbers. And in this case, 4 is a factor of both 16 and 100. So we're going to say how many times can 4 go into 16 and how many times it can go into 100. So 4 into 16 goes 4 times, and 4 into 100 goes 25 times. And then we look again to see if we can simplify any further. Then we are going to say 4 into 4 goes 1 times, 4 into 8 goes 2 times. Being that we have simplified as low as possible, we are going to go ahead and multiply. Alright, boys and girls, now it's time to test your knowledge to see if you understand what has been taught so far. Go ahead and give those 2 fractions a try. Convert them from fractions to percentages. Comment your answer down below so I know that you understand. If you found this video very helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Ensure that you subscribe for more fun and easy math content coming your way. Be sure to comment down below and let us know the topics that you'd like us to explore. Thank you and bye!